Welcome to today's discussion on collecting paging data in UI. If you're a developer or designer working on applications that involve large datasets, you've probably encountered the need to implement pagination at some point. But have you ever stopped to think about how to collect and utilize this valuable information? Paging data can provide insights into user behavior, help improve application performance, and even inform design decisions. In this video, we'll be exploring the importance of collecting paging data in UI, and more importantly, how to do it effectively. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clear understanding of the concepts involved and the steps required to collect and make sense of this valuable information. So, let's dive into the world of pagination. When we implement pagination in our applications, we're essentially splitting large datasets into smaller chunks that are easier for users to navigate. But as users interact with these paginated interfaces, they leave behind a trail of data that can be incredibly valuable. Collecting paging data involves capturing information about how users interact with your application's pagination features. This includes metrics such as the number of pages viewed, time spent on each page, and even user behavior like scrolling patterns or button clicks. But why is this data so important? Well, by analyzing paging data, you can gain insights into user behavior that can help inform design decisions. For example, if users are consistently dropping off at a certain page, it may indicate that the content on that page isn't engaging enough. Or if users are spending an inordinate amount of time on a particular page, it could suggest that they're having trouble finding what they're looking for. But collecting paging data isn't just about understanding user behavior. It's also crucial for optimizing application performance by analyzing how users interact with pagination features. You can identify bottlenecks and areas where optimization efforts will have the most impact. Now, let's talk about the steps involved in collecting paging data. The first step is to identify what metrics are important to your application. What do you want to measure? Do you want to track page views, time spent on each page, or maybe even user behavior, like scrolling patterns? Once you've identified your key metrics, it's time to decide how you'll collect the data. There are several approaches to collecting paging data, including using analytics tools, implementing custom tracking scripts, or even leveraging server-side logging. One popular approach is to use client-side tracking scripts that capture user interactions and send them back to a server for analysis. Another option is to leverage server-side logging, which involves capturing user requests and responses on the server side. Regardless of the approach you choose, it's essential to ensure that your data collection methods are accurate, reliable, and scalable. You'll also want to consider how you'll store and analyze the collected data, as well as how you'll visualize the insights gained from it. So, what are the from today's discussion on collecting paging data in UI? Firstly, paging data is a valuable source of information that can provide insights into user behavior and help inform design decisions. Secondly, collecting paging data involves capturing metrics about how users interact with pagination features, such as page views, time spent on each page, and user behavior. Thirdly, there are several approaches to collecting paging data, including using analytics tools, implementing custom tracking scripts, or leveraging server-side logging. Finally, it's essential to ensure that your data collection methods are accurate, reliable, and scalable, and to consider how you'll store, analyze, and visualize the collected data. That's all for today's discussion on collecting paging data in UI. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the importance of collecting paging data and the steps involved in doing so. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, Please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on UI design and development topics. And if you're interested in learning more about collecting paging data, we encourage you to explore additional resources and continue the conversation with us. Thanks for watching.